Taking a look here now at our 290C QT powered by Bedford pump. We say powered by Bedford. Inside the packings, inside various components, we use Bedford parts. So less than 50 pounds, but it's got a rigid, durable frame. So you can throw this in your truck, throw it wherever you need to, and it'll still withstand a beating. Supports up to a 27 thousandths orifice size for most spraying needs, and also up to 3,000 PSI. Let's get our PPC, our precision pressure control. Simply turn up this knob, you'll hear the piston engage. You'll hear that slow draw. It's not a fast acting piston, this is a bigger piston, enabling you to wick up thicker, more viscous paints, and also supports that 27 thou orifice that we were talking about. It enables you to actuate the piston less as you're using it, as you're spraying it, preventing wear as you go on. The controller is able to go down to low pressures, as low as 400 PSI, and is regulated to within 15 PSI increments. So that enables you for more fine finishing applications as you creep into 1,000 PSI. And again, because this has such a large piston, it won't actuate as much, and therefore it won't flutter as you're spraying specifically for fine finish. But it still goes all the way up to 3,000 PSI for any other high pressure applications you need. Controller also gives you a quick visual indicator of real-time pressure, preventing you from needing an extra pressure gauge assembly to guess and check what you're spraying at. We got an access port here for lubrication. Simply put QT lube or any lube on the industry down here. That helps extend the life of your piston and also prevents any particulates that are in the air, overspray, from gunking up inside the piston. Got a quick change assembly for fast acting servicing when needed. If you want more information on where to buy the products shown to you, please visit bedfordprecision.com or call Bedford's customer service line.